Hi everyone, let's start your makeover. Make a twisted pan in the middle and make a ponytail at the bottom, then have a loop and drop the tail inside and attach it to the second rubber band we had, remember? And bring it to the top and secure its position with a very large hairpin of your choice. Tie your hair in the middle and temporarily fix it with a very large hair clutcher. Then fix the middle section of the hair, twist it and attach it to the second one. Then twist the right one to the first one and left to the third one. Then with the remaining hair, stuff it inside while having a lovely hairpin. Grab your lovely hair from behind and have a very large rubber band and tie a ponytail. Then have a lump of hair and divide your ponytail into two and make a loop. Then twist the loop and have a first loop attached to the bun we created. Make a braid only at the top section of the ponytail and secure its position, forming a lump with the rubber band. Have another rubber in the middle section of the remaining ponytail and make the loop come around the bun we created. And hide the tips beneath the bun and have a beautiful hairpin of your choice. Make a bunch and create a ridge by using your finger and drop the entire tail inside and make it come down. Pinch your hair on the top a little bit and with the remaining ponytail, have a rubber band, fold it forward and make it go to the top and attach a beautiful hair clutcher. Hold your bunch and make a lump of hair and attach the rubber band and bring the tail backwards and have another rubber band tip and secure its position with a very large hair clutcher. Make that twister pan and insert a hair loop in the left section, bring the right end to that and make it come down. In the entire left section, divide your hair into 3 parts and what else? You're gonna start braiding it all over from top to bottom, then bend the braid at the tips with the rubber band and pinch it out for some volume and have the braid go to the right and secure its position with the hairpin and decorate it with your lovely hairpin of course. Insert a hair loop into your bunch and make the tail go around it and make it completely come down on the left section. Then with the ponytail, comb a little bit after pinching the top part of your hair, and after that you have a tie rubber in the middle part and bend the tips over and stuff it inside the bun and have a hairpin and secure its position. Make that twist and with the remaining hair, form a ponytail and have another rubber band attached to the bottom part and secure its position by bending it forward and stuff it inside the middle portion. Then even bend it to the top and have a beautiful hair clip and attach it from bottom to top and top to bottom. Thank you guys for watching this video.